does it again. Oh, she didn't do it that time. You alright? Alright. Go back to sleep. Alright.